Ramen noodles are very essential in any ramen dish. And you know this better than me. Well, today I'm gonna show you every detail how to make the perfect ramen noodles. Hello beautiful people! So, this is my third day where I'm teaching you how to make an authentic Japanese ramen bowl. I am getting really excited. I have taught you how to make ajitsuke tamago and as well how to make the ramen broth. And today we're making fresh ramen noodles from scratch. Let's go! On the table, we're gonna pour some flour, then we're gonna make a well in the center. On the side, we're gonna have a bowl. We're gonna add the water, the baking soda, and we're gonna finalize it with the salt. Look, the baking soda is used to make the noodles more chewy, elasticy, and slurpy in the same time. Now, we're gonna pour the water mixture into the flour while mixing it slowly with a fork. So we're gonna mix and mix slowly until everything is combined. I'm not gonna use my hand at the beginning. I don't wanna make them full of flour and sticky. So I'm gonna take my time, make them again with a fork. You have never told me, what is your favorite dish? Let me know in the comment below. Maybe I can make it for you. Then I'm gonna use my hand and start kneading the dough. The texture have to be dry, as you can see in this video, because we're not adding a lot of water to it. I know you're struggling a little bit to make it, by the way, but you will have a beautiful product at the end. Then I'm gonna rest the dough for at least an hour. Abu Dhabi, where is your favorite ramen restaurant in the Emirates? Let me know in the comment below. I have tried the ramen in this restaurant. You can check it out if you want. Now I'm gonna dust the table with a bit of flour. I'm gonna add the dough on the top, and then I'm gonna roll it with a rolling pin until it can fit in the roller. We're gonna pass it through the roller until we have the thickness that we're looking for. I'm looking for a 2mm thickness. So once it's thin enough, we're gonna fold it in half, and then again we're gonna place it into the roller to make it thinner and thinner. Look, at the beginning, don't be scared, because when you pass it through, it's not gonna look nice, by the way. It's gonna look a bit rough, but it is gonna be better and more smooth. If you have made pasta before, it is exactly the same thing. And by the way, if you want to learn how to make an exotic linguine, my own signature, I will place the link in the card somewhere over here. I'm not sure. Now again, we're gonna slowly feed the dough machine with the cutter attachment. The ramen noodles are starting to show, as you can see. They are extremely beautiful. Once you remove them from the dough cutter machine, it's very important to dust them with a bit of flour. It's because we don't want the noodles to stick to each other. We're gonna repeat the same process until we have enough noodles for our beautiful ramen dish. Oh my god, the noodles look so good. They're beautiful. If you're sitting at home and you're watching this video, you should definitely try the ramen. Yes, I know it's gonna take time, but you will never forget it. Do you know that you can freeze your ramen noodles and they can last up to 2 weeks in the freezer? Lovely people, if you want to purchase the dough machine, I will place the link in my description below. Hey guys, you have to be a little bit more patient, because the next episode I am going to teach you how to make a miso ramen, and after that I am going to teach you how to make a tantan ramen. Those two dishes are really exquisite and exceptional. YouTubers, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I'm still going to do a lot of really interesting dishes. We'll see you very soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!